The Fractal Design North is a stunning PC case that stands out for its unique blend of mid-century modern design and high airflow performance. Available in either a mesh side or tempered glass option, and in white with chrome accents or black with brass, this case is a beauty to behold. It's arguably the prettiest PC case on the market today. But it's not just about looks. The North also delivers exceptional thermal performance. It comes equipped with a pair of 140mm fans, and the mesh model includes a side bracket that can accommodate an additional pair of fans for even better airflow. This case offers ample storage space, with support for two 3.5-inch and six 2.5-inch drives. One of the unique features of this case is its side fan bracket, which can be a bit noisy, but it ensures optimal cooling for your components. The price point of $130 is quite reasonable, especially considering the case's aesthetics and performance. If you're not a fan of the mid-century modern design, Fractal's Meshify 2 Compact offers a more conventional alternative. However, if you want a case that blends seamlessly with your stylish furniture while housing a powerful PC, the North is unparalleled. Fractal Design has taken a bold step forward with this case, and we can only hope that other manufacturers will follow suit in pushing the boundaries of case design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.